Hi, I am Pravin Sir. I am International Pearson Academic Exam, that is PTE Academic Test Trainer. And in this video, I will explain you some very interesting things about PTE. Now, for Australian PR, generally most of you need 79 plus in each area of PTE. Now, the question arises, like, are there some tips and tricks which can really help you crack the exam? Is it only like the test of English, or you need to know some inside tricks? So here I will give you some simple tricks regarding PTE. First of all, understand which questions carry more weightage. Like, let us understand one very simple fact about PTE. Multiple choice question of any type. Like in reading, there are two types of multiple choice questions: multiple choice single option and multiple choice multiple option. And in listening, there are four types of multiple choice questions. They are multiple choice single option, multiple choice multiple option, highlight correct summary, and select missing words. All these questions carry very less marks in the examination. So these questions are time wasters. They may consume a lot of time, but they don't have much weightage in the exam. So I think it's very important to understand which questions carry more marks, which are the key things in PTE you must focus on, what techniques you should apply. Similarly, for writing also, we have devised a very simple technique. If you follow that, writing an essay or writing one sentence summary will be as easy as a cakewalk. So this is what we will be teaching you in our training program, and these are live interactive programs, so that you can interact with the trainers, you can ask your difficulties, understand it clearly, and practice on a real-time basis. So that ensures success, and I'm happy to tell you that some of my students even have scored 90 out of 90 in all four areas in the first attempt. And there are many students who have scored 79 plus in each. So if you want to ensure that you get the required score for Australian PR, so please join our PT online training course, and we can definitely help you. We have classroom facility also, but that is in Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you for watching this video.